Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, Robin with Robin's Southern Nest. So this morning I went ahead and sealed our countertops. We have marble countertops in our kitchen and I like to do this every 6 months. So I thought I would film me putting the kitchen back together to maybe offer you some motivation for cleaning or restyling your spaces. So I hope you guys enjoy. So after the holidays, I like to keep the kitchen pretty clean and clear of a lot of decor. That way I have room to kind of let it breathe, and then I will go ahead and style it for spring. But in these winter months, I like to keep it pretty simple. An easy little centerpiece that I've been loving lately is just have a bowl in the middle of my island, and then I filled it with some magnolia leaves, and I just let them dry out because I really love the look of that. Just something simple. You can also use faux foliage as well. And then in the spring months, I'll switch those out with flowers. And I did leave my winter wreath up there because I thought it'd be fine for the winter. I just removed the bow from when I had it up there from Christmas. And over here on the counter, I just have my recipe holder and my Dutch oven along with a cutting board. I did add in some art. I got this one at Target's, the Studio McGee line. And then I just have my tray full of like oils, salt and pepper, and then all of my utensils. I kept the sink really minimal because I just wanted that area to be clean for now. I know I like a styled sink, but I'm just kind of loving the simplicity of it. So that is a little overview of our kitchen. I feel like it's nice and clean after I sealed the countertops. So I hope you guys have a great afternoon, and thank you so much for flying by today. And as always, you can shop my home by clicking the link in my bio and click on the Shop My Home tab. Bye friends, have a good day.